in and out, okay?
Yeah.
Bye!
Wait, I want to do something.
Too bad!
No, guys, sorry about that.
Yeah, and this is my bad ugly room.
Throw the stuff in cat in
Girl.
my mouth.
There's her little brother. And
He
And
missed
he
okay!
jumped.
Yeah!
Guys, stop! Okay, yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
we're
you
so
see
good.
the background? That's my game
Yeah,
room.
we're like a really new show, so yeah.
Really,
Nah.
really new.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just wanted
Yeah.
to tell you about it.
Yeah,
You're bored.
Yeah, and because we're awesome.
Yeah. Peace
Get
out!
out of the background! God! Yeah, I'm sorry. This is a cursing non-free show. We can't curse. Yeah. I hope you guys please.
I mean, sorry for that inconvenient scream.
Yeah, I hope you guys please
watch the next episode.
make comments and yeah, our next episode.
Yeah.
Happen like the same day.
I know. Well,
So,
yeah.
yeah.
Bye.
Aren't we awesome?
Did that wake you up? Okay, good, because now you're not sleeping.
Yeah.
You better
Mascot,
not be
say
sleeping
bye.
during the show.
Hey, no, guys, hold on. No. Yeah. I think I'm gonna be the one saying bye.
Yeah, but don't sleep.
Shut up!
Hey.
I'm the one saying bye, so get out of my way, thank you. So, thanks for watching the
Intro of the Michelle and
Beyond the Show!
Okay.
Okay, bye guys!